Hi everyone, let's talk about chewy and delicious sujebi. Usually you make it by kneading dough, tearing off pieces and tossing them into soup, right? Today, we're skipping the dough making step and keeping things super easy. Start by boiling 3 cups of water with a soup stock pack to make a flavorful broth. While that's simmering, let's prep the veggies. Once the stock has finished steeping, remove the pack and toss in the vegetables. Add 1 teaspoon each of minced garlic and salt to season. Now, for the main ingredient, tear the dumpling wrappers into bite-sized pieces and drop them into the soup. Let them cook for about 3 minutes. Finish it off by adding the chopped green onions and chilies. Simmer for 1 more minute. And then ladle everything into a bowl. And there you have it, ready to serve. This recipe is seriously as easy as a Sujebi meal kit, don't you think? It's a great twist on the traditional recipe, perfect for busy days when you're craving Sujebi but don't have time to make the dough. Have a simple and delicious day with SimpleKmeal.